Yeah,
Okay.
it's Safia here.
Yeah. Okay. I'm SN. So you know me from YouTube, right?
Yeah, from YouTube. I came to know about you.
Yeah. Okay. So can you please elaborate like why you are interested in booking the calls and what your business is facing and what's the challenges and the progress you want to make in the next 3 or 6 months? I actually already visited
Mm,
your website. So can you please a bit elaborate about yourself and your
yes.
businesses as well?
Yeah. So I am Afia. I'm a marketing manager of the company MSRCM Global Services.
Hmm.
So we are facing like we want clients. So we want leads also. So we want you to find the leads for us to have some. We have leads like via and we also have emails and we have them through emails, but
Your voice
we are not
is
getting
cutting
any
down.
response.
Your
So
voice is
we want us with.
your voice is cutting down, and I can't.
So can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah. So we want help with leads, as well as we want you to send the like cold emails. So I want to know more about it, like how it works and what all is required for that, and how many emails we can send at a time. And we work for the doctors, medical doctors. So it's for their patients which they gave the coverages. So for them we work like we manage the RCM service for
Hmm.
them.
Okay.
So I want to know more about the cold email.
Okay, got it. Okay, so your actually target market is USS doctor, right?
Yes.
Any specific like job title or something like that? Like they want to at least
Yeah.
1 or 20%, 20,000 or 40,000 in a year or something like that. Any requirement?
Like yeah, we have a requirement like we want nearly 5 to 6 leads per month. So we want 5 to 6 clients per month. And the
That
thing
means
is
you need 5 to 6 client, not lead. Lead
mm,
for
we
booking for booking 5 to 6 client. At least you need like 20 to 30 meeting per month
yeah,
in your
per month.
calendar.
Yeah.
So that's a lot, and we can do that. No problem. We can do that. Okay, you can finish.
Yeah. Yeah, and the thing is from past 3 months we have one client that is for chiropractic service.
Mhm.
We were we were working for the software which
Mhm.
is Verical Clinic Mind software. You can go through that and you can check. We have worked for that software, but we don't have much clients, so we want that. Uh, and I want to know is the domain is required, or we can use the domain which we have, and the emails, how many emails is required.
Okay, I'm telling it like
So
I'm giving you an
okay.
like exactly breakdown about everything. Okay, no problem on it. And
Okay.
just tell me one thing, like how much is your service cost? Like how much do you sell? Average a
uh,
deal per month.
yeah, per month, as per the last 3 months, we have a turnover of $5,000,
Hmm.
like per month $5,000. Yeah,
Okay.
that's the our revenue which we
Yeah.
generate.
So if a client deal you close, at least it will be minimum $5,000 per month, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay, so let's break down about the cold mail. So I hope you visited, like you watch some of the video of my YouTube channel, right?
Yes, yeah, I have
Yeah.
one.
Okay, so for cold mail is the most effective marketing strategy right now. Okay, so it's working almost like a
Yeah.
decade when the Gmail invented, and after that it's running. So if you run Google ad and Facebook ad, they has a high like value for every keyword. Okay, so if you run ads, you don't know who are seeing
Yeah.
your ads and how many bookings you are getting and from which person they are relevant or not. And the CPC is high, you need to spend a lot of money on it. But cold mail is not like that. You can target it the right people, only the decision maker and your targeted people as per your requirement, and you can directly hit their inbox. You can directly reach their email and pitch your services. And if they interested, they can directly book a call on your calendar, and you can like talk like what we're doing right now. You can do a meeting and you can try to close them, and for the next like
Mm,
step you can go there. Okay, for making a cold mail infrastructure we
mm,
need domains, we need emails. Okay, so each domain can have 3 email. Okay, and each email can send uh, 60
okay.
emails per day. 30 is warm up and 30 is cold mail. Okay, so if you want to send like 1,000 email per day, then it will
Mhm.
need at least like 10 domains and yeah, 30 emails. Then it will be like 900 to around 1,000 email per day. So if you want 20 to 30 book calls, I think between like 1,000 to 1,500 or maybe 2,000 email per day, it will be best for you. And the domain and the email
Okay.
yeah, and other tools like leads and leads verifications tools, custom API sending tools, you need to buy by yourself and we can work on it. Otherwise you can just book with us
Okay.
and don't want to juggle everywhere, and you can use our done for you setup, and we will you will give us a setup fee and we will set up everything for you. You don't need to go anywhere, don't need to buy anything. We will directly buy everything and make a cold mail
Okay.
infrastructure and deliver it to you, and after that we will manage it for your businesses, how we send cold mail. And we will do everything from sending mail to crafting email to making the email leads, everything. And your work is just join the call with the link and try to close them. That's it.
Okay. Okay. So after 2 weeks, we'll be reaching like 20 to 25 peoples per day, right?
Yes. After
Each
setting
email.
yes, after yeah, after setting up our cold mail infrastructure, we need to warm up our emails at least for 2 weeks. So in these 2 weeks, we will make a lead list for your services, like what your target market and targeting what's the doctor list. We will make lead list, and after that we will write copyright, like we will fix copywriting, like which offer we will make some offer for you as well, which offer, which subject line, we will make a email copy and send it to you. And when you approve that, and after that we will set up in this, in between these 2 weeks we will fix all the things. And for buying domain and setting up email, there is a technical setup that is called SPF, KMD mark. This kind of setup you need to set up on every domain for better deliverability. Otherwise, every email will be land on the spam.
Okay.
And as well as like
Oh,
we have reseller. Okay, like if you buy the domain and if you buy email from directly from Google, Google will cut you like 7.20 cent, like $7.20 per month. But we have resellers we are regularly using, so you can get email for $3 per month. Okay, a cheap price, so you can use that as well. Like
okay.
we are using for our businesses, like cheap services like $3 per month. So you can also use that. If you work with us, I will give you that access as well.
Okay. So from last 3 months, we have one client, and now we don't have any other client. So
Mhm.
we lost that client as well. So facing like difficulties, like we don't have lead and we are contacting them. We don't have any other connections. So have you worked like us, like medical doctors who work for medical doctors?
I worked for many medical industry, or I worked on many client on medical industry. I already recently have some client also on running. We have currently have some client for medical industries who are like like giving chiropractors weight loss clinic services. Okay, so we have client, we have also
Yes.
experience on medical industries.
Yeah, that's good. Sounds good. And we have to purchase a domain, or we can use the domain which we have.
Yes, like whatever domain you have, if you want to use that, we can use that. And if you want to buy new domains, that also possible. So if already, if you have some domains previously you already buy it, then we can use that, no problem.
Okay,
How
we just
many
have
domains
one
you have?
domain that we are using already for our company.
No,
No, we don't have any other domain, just one domain we have. I
you can't use your
Go
main
ahead.
domain, like you can't use your main domain. If you just use your main domain, it can be suspended. Okay, it can be blacklisted, because when you send a mass
Okay.
email, there, if there is some deliverability issue, then your main domain can get blacklisted. So that's why always need to buy secondary domains. Like if your website name is afia.com, you need to buy domain like tryafia.com,
Yes.
useafia.com, iafia.com, myafia.com. So this kind of secondary domains.
Okay. 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 So how many domains do we need? Which is
Uh,
the best?
Mm, actually, cold mail is a number game. How much you will reach, that must book calls, that must client you will get. So how many people you will reach, that many engagement you will get. So if you want to try for at least 1,000 email per day, then for 1,000 email we need 10 domains and 30 email.
Okay.
Yeah, then
Uh,
we can send like
what
900 to
what
950.
if we starts with
Sorry.
yeah? What if we start with 100, 200?
It's a bit low. It's a bit low. So that's why
Okay.
like whatever you are thinking, like 4 to 5 client, uh, basically it will not happen, because as the industry standard, if you pitch 4 5 people, like if you do meeting with 4 5 people, then there is a possibility for one client. So if you just make a assumption for like 4 meeting 1 client, then you need at least for like 16 to 20 meeting per month for 5 to 6 client. Okay, so if you just send 100 to
Okay.
200 email per day, then it will be a less. So that's why the result will be also less. So it's your choice. If you want to go that, we can do that. But how much you will reach, that much you can get result. So if you have a budget issue, then at least you can
Okay.
start with like 500 email per day, 5 domain and 15 email.
Okay. 500 domain. For 500 domain, 50 email, right?
5 domain and 15 email.
Okay. Email. Yeah, that's also a good number. Um, and we also want the list of the doctors. And we have researched in the LinkedIn, so we don't have much. And I want you to create email templates as well,
Yes, that's
to have some
already
emails and
that's
yeah.
already I told. Like when we give you a service, like we have already connected our email in the sending platform, and we are warming up our email for 2 weeks. On between 2 weeks, we will write your
Mm,
email copy, we will
mm,
make a doctor's list, and we will verify by you. Okay, so everything we will done will be done by us, no problem on it. So your work is when we send the doc file and when we send the email list, you will check and like give us approval, yes, that is right, and it's good. And if you think that is not good right now, you want some tweak and some changes, then you can let me know, we will again work on it and give it to you again for the approval.
okay. So which tool you will use, and which tool you'll prefer me to use?
Okay, So basically, in my agency, I use pipl.ai. But if you want to use instantly, smartly, that's okay for me, no problem. But everyone want to save money, right? So smartly, instantly, they are charging like almost $100 a month. But the same thing people giving, but people are charging for $77 per month. So we are saving like almost $25. So that's why I use pipl.ai. So you can also use pipl.ai.
Okay, so which is the best tool?
That three is good. Like instantly, smartly, people.ai and people.ai. Three are good. So whatever you want, you can use it. I think it will be better for you to go with people.ai because it's the subscription fee is low.
Okay, low subscription fee. Yeah, sure. Um, and we want you to and just a second. I want you to hire for a monthly basis. So, what about the packages? No.
Okay, so packages like we have a like as you mentioned on the booking links. Okay, you have the budget, so we can do $500 per month. But all of the tools and all of the emails domains you need to buy. But if you want a done for you setup, like we will buy everything and we will set up, then you need to give us for the first month it will be $1,200, and from the second month it will be again $500 because from the second month we just charge our maintenance charge, but we will not charge for tools because you already set up on the first month. So that's why we have two packages for you. That is, one is for $500 flat fee for monthly. We will check, we will do everything for you, and we will book your targeted prospect on your calendar, and you will just do meeting and try to close them. And the second is, if you want a done for you setup directly, you don't need to do anything. You just need to send us a payment and you will get a super cold mail infrastructure machine for your businesses. So you can do whatever you want, like whatever the packages is good for you, you can choose that, no problem.
Okay, so now currently our budget is not that much. So I want you to uh like give us the budget which is which will be helpful for us. So is there any chance you can make it less?
How much is really good for you?
Like actually we were looking for $400 per month, but the setup fee is also more. So let's see.
Like you want $400 per month, but the setup is also from
Yes.
our side, right?
Yeah. Setup is
I
also from
think
your side.
yes, but at least for the first month it will be $500. But from the next month we can do like $400. But on the first month there is a lot of things to buy, a lot of things to set up. So for the first month, if you can bear $500, and from the second month you can send us $400, then we can make a custom pack and with a lower domain emails. Then we can work on it. Otherwise, it will be not possible in our case, and that's it.
Okay, so lower domain, like how many domains?
Three domain, six emails.
Okay, for 400, right?
Yes, three domain, six emails. You can reach like 200 people a day, whatever you already told me in the meeting previous time.
Okay,
200, no, not actually 200, 2 to 300 people.
okay, 2 to 300 people.
Yes.
After 2 weeks of warm up, right?
Yes, after 2 weeks or more. Because on also on the 2 weeks, we will not sit down. We will make your list. We will make your email copywriting. We will make your offer. Everything in these 2 weeks, we will do that.
Okay, and the $500 is from the second month. You mean to say?
No, 500 is the first month. 400 from the second month.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Sorry for that. Okay. So that's good. So I don't have anything much. So I'll connect you shortly. I just need to
Hmm.
speak with the management about this,
Hmm.
and I'll connect you shortly.
Okay, no problem.
That's
Let me know. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Afia, and hope we will work soon.
Okay, sure. Thank you. It was
Okay, bye
great.
bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.